What's up to my friends on YouTube? In today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add a notification for an event on your calendar app inside of iPhone. If you use the calendar app a lot, you will know exactly what I'm talking about here. It's a great tool, but if you haven't found out about this function yet, you may be kind of confused exactly what the purpose is, because let's say you have an event at 5 o'clock today. You won't know that you have that event if you didn't check it. So luckily, it has a function where you can enable notifications, and it will just notify you at the time of event or even an hour before. You could customize that, and I will get into that in just a moment here. So I'm on the calendar app, as you can see, and I'm just going to create a new event just for the purposes of this video, and I could show you exactly what you need to do. But once you go ahead and create the event, you're just going to want to scroll down here, and it should be about third to the bottom there. There's a button. It is called Alert. This might have thrown you off if you're looking for notification, and that is quite understandable. That is why you're here, and I'm here to help. But clicking on Alert, you will see it's automatically set to none, but there's also a bunch of different options when you want the notification to happen. So if you want it an hour before, 5 minutes before, even as late as a week before, you could do that if you'd like. So once you set what time you want the alert, you just have to add it to your calendar. You can customize what other options you want here, but if you just add it to the calendar, you will be getting that alert whatever time you set it. So for this example, I set it 5 minutes before, and at 12:55, because this event's at 1 o'clock, I will get the alert that I have an event in 5 minutes, but that's completely customizable based on what the event is and how you want to run it in your personal schedule. That's all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.